Okay, as I said in the earlier section, I'm going to show you how to use the tapping points that you'll be using with your EFT, applying EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. And by tapping on these points, you're going to balance the energy that moves around your body when you think about specific issues that have been causing your problem. You're going to be tapping on these points gently, at least 7 times. It's okay if it's 5 or 6 times. It's a very forgiving process. So, the first point I'm going to show you is here. It's called the karate chop point, for obvious reasons, along the side of the fleshy part of your hand. And you're going to be using the index finger and middle finger of the opposite hand. Now, it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. This applies to either side of the body. You'll need to work on one side of the body at a time. Okay, so you'll be tapping here 7 times. As I said, index finger and middle finger 7 times. And this is called the karate chop point. Then the next point you're looking for, if you follow your eyebrow towards the bridge of your nose, just here, and you'll be tapping here again 7 times approximately. And this is called the eyebrow point. Even though it's at the edge here at the bridge of your nose, it's called the eyebrow point. Now the next point you'll be using is on the side of the eye, at the bony point on the side of the eye. And this is called the side of the eye point. And then under the eye, on the bone again, under the eye. And this is called under the eye point. And then you're going to be tapping under the nose. And it's called under the nose point. And then chin point. Now the chin point is not directly on the chin, it's actually between the chin and the bottom lip. I just tap there. Chin point. Now the next point is called a collarbone point. However, it's not directly on the collarbone. If you follow your collarbone on either side back towards the middle of your chest, you'll find a part where it starts to curve down towards your breastbone. And it's just where this bone curves down, you'll feel it stick out a little bit. On most people anyway. But that's how you find it. You just press along, you'll find it curves down, just where it starts to curve or angle down towards the breastbone. You just tap here, and this is called the collarbone point. Now the next point you'll be using is under the arm. Now under the arm is found along the area where a lady's bra strap would be, and you'll be tapping here again. And all these points again you'll be tapping with the index finger and middle finger of either hand. And then the last point I'm going to show you here is top of the head. The top of the head is in the middle of your head, okay? It's along where the area where a girl may wear a hairband. And just tap there at least 7 times. So these are the points you'll be using. I'm just going to go briefly over them very quickly again. Karate chop point, eyebrow point, side of the eye, under the nose, chin point, collarbone point, under the arm, and top of the head. And you see how easy it is for me to find them. Once you get to use these a few times, it's so easy to use and so quickly to use. Once you tune into the issue you want to work on, tap on these points. We'll say a few words, I'll explain that later. The words you'll be saying to keep you focused on what you're working on. Okay, so you can move on to the next section and see what else I'm going to teach you.